welcome to my channel. My name's Maniyah Jackson. Not really though, because that's not my real last name. I'm like married to Michael Jackson. But anyways, in today's video, which is like literally my first video that I have like been wanting to post, not necessarily this topic of what I'm about to be doing, but like I'm done waiting. So today we are going to be doing a get ready with me, although I ain't really going nowhere. Let's get started. For those who don't know me, I used to have locks, and here they are. This isn't all of them because before I cut them off, I had in soft locks over these. And for those who had soft locks and have taken them out, you know how hard they are to take out. Luckily for me, I already wanted to cut my real hair off, so I was chopping and chopping and chopping. I just kept going and going and going until it was all off, and you know, I got what I got. So I can make little voodoo dolls. So I'm gonna be using my vanity set and then also my phone at the same time. First of all, let's wipe off of the makeup. Not makeup, but I guess you can say makeup. Alright, guess how much this cost? I believe it was like $20, or was it $50? I can't remember, it was somewhere around there. In other makeup videos I've seen throughout the years of attempting to do makeup, they're like not like.
But you see, I thought I would've. Oh my fucking god, y'all pissed me the fuck off.
They like kind of just scribble in their eyebrows. I like using brown. Black is a little bit too bold. Do what you want to do. I guess what? Ooh. Alright, and I've seen girls, they use a lighter color under the eyebrows and then they go in and use the darker color on top. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm using this kind of brush, a liner. This eyebrow doesn't match this one. This just might be what it is because again, I'm not used to doing it. I'm gonna keep saying that throughout this video, but I'm gonna cut it out because y'all already know. The concealer I'm using is Born This Way by Super Coverage? I'm sorry, Too Faced. Too Faced. I forgot to prime my face. I done did my eyebrows. We ain't going back. We ain't turning back now. My head big. I think I might need more. Let's go ahead, blend this in, and then I'm gonna go on top with some concealer, and then bake. I think I put on too much. All right, next we're gonna move on to this. Time for the baking part. My shirt, my dress. I guess while I'm baking, let's go ahead and start my eyes. I'm just gonna be going under my eyes. Wish me luck. I've seen in many other makeup videos that using mascara before you put on lashes kind of like protects your lashes. I guess it's time to no, it's not time to blend out yet because I need to do my eyeshadow. This is Picante. We should use, I want to use Flora and Epis. It's gonna be these two. I wish I had like some tape or something to like give me that look, you know what I mean? Oh my gosh! I just hope this look is coming out how I think it's supposed to come out. Alright, time for the hair reveal. Oh my god, I can't tell if it looks yellow or not. Okay, so after going through and looking at the footage, the makeup was too light. I'm like a whole another shade. So what I'm gonna do is just go through and just take off like the outside, like, you know, my cheeks, my forehead, or whatever. I'm not like completely starting over. I'm not doing that. Like I took up too much time. So, and now you can see the difference. Another thing I can tell y'all is that using, it's gonna be a little minute before I can find it, but a very like reddish, burgundy-ish color over dark spots, like right here, right here, right here, right here, eye bags, and then putting on the color of your foundation, it can like mask and like cover the dark spots. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I wish I could call you up, miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Alright, this is the finished product. I forgot what I was saying in the last clip because storage, I can delete like almost 1,000 photos because I have over 1,000, 2,000 almost. I take a lot of pictures, but this is the finished product. The reason why I kept the first clip when I was putting everything on was so if I were to make that mistake again, y'all can see it versus how I fixed it. So basically, I don't know if it's the fact that it's the banana, whatchamacallit, powder, the fact that I use too much, or just the fact that I'm using it at all is giving me that ashy bright look. So I just guess from now on I won't be using that until I find a different technique. But overall, I do like this version better. And then you can see it kind of like improved from when I did it. You know what? I'm going to insert some photos of me doing my makeup, you know, before or whatever. So I'm gonna insert like I was saying, I'm going to insert some photos of me doing my makeup before, so hopefully there's like an improvement. I think one of them I had on like a filter, but you know, this isn't the filter. Now I'm gonna get close again. Like I said, there are no rules to makeup, so you don't have to add the powder. Most people do it, most influencers do it, whatever, but obviously it's not for me until I find the right way to do it. What I was saying in the last part before I cut it out to have this in, thank you to everyone who came and watched. Don't forget to leave a comment, tell me what I can do better, give me some ideas for some new videos I can make. I hope that everything I did helped. Again, I was using Sephora products for the brushes and e.l.f. as well. Lashes, I just got it from my local weave store. I just want to let you guys know, like, I'm here. I want to be posting more often, but it's a whole lot of. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be better edited, just better everything. Deuces.